Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and today I am going to discuss the questions which were asked in Infosys examination on 28th of September 2020. Okay, so friends, we will be discussing around 5 to 6 questions, and all these questions will be very important. Even similar kind of questions you may expect in your examination. So let us start with the question number 1. So while signing an memorandum of understanding in office room, there were parties of two different companies. Both the parties had equal number of officials. Every official shakes hand in office room. If there were total 66 handshakes in the MOU signing, number of persons present in a party of a single company is. So friends, this is a permutation and combination question. So if you would have gone through my videos which is available in the Infosys cracker course, then friends, the same question has been solved. The only thing is the wordings are different. So friends, basically what is happening, two persons are going to shake their hands, right? Okay, so for one successful shake hand, two person is required. So friends, suppose the total number of person is n, okay, and for one handshake two person is required, okay, and now the total number of handshake is nothing but 66. So nc2, okay, so this is a question of permutation and combination. So we are selecting two person out of n person for a successful handshake, right? Okay, now friends, you can see here nc2 is equals to 66. So ncr will be equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here it will be n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial will be equal to 66. So this n factorial, I can write it n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. I will stop it till here. Why I am stopping it till here? Because in the denominator we have n minus 2 factorial. Now 2 factorial will be 2 and then n minus 2 factorial, and this will be equal to 66. So this and this will get cancelled. So n into n minus 1 will be equal to 2 into 66, that is 132. Now friends, this is a quadratic equation and this you have to solve. If option is given, then we could have easily solved, but they are telling the answer should be an integer and you have to enter your answer here. So n square minus n and 132, I will bring it here, okay, will be equal to 0. Now friends, so quadratic equation we should know how to solve it. So 132 is a factor of 12, 11. Friends, what you need to do basically is you need to factorize 132. So 2 6 ja and 2 6 ja, then 2 33 times and 3 11 times. So 12 and 11 will be the factor. So n square minus 12n plus 11n minus 132 will be equal to 0. N you take common, so n minus 12 plus again 11 you take common, so n minus 12 will be equal to 0. So n will be equal to 12. That means the total number of person in the companies are 12. Now friends, so 12 is the value, okay, so total number of person is nothing but 12. Okay, now friends, they are asking number of person present in a party of a single company. So total is 12 and equal number of officials are there. So here your answer will become 6. Okay, so friends, is a very good question from the topic permutation and combination, and I hope you would have understood this problem. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can put your doubts in the comment box. Now friends, question number 2 is a question from the number puzzles, and all the problems friends has been asked in the Infosys examination 28th of September 2020. So here this value we need to calculate it. So friends, if you know number series, then number puzzles will be also easy for you. But if you do not know number series, then number puzzles will be difficult for you. Now, so here you can see friends, so 4 2 9. So the logic is 4 square. The logic is 4 square. So friends, 4 square will be what? 16, right? 4 square will be what? 16. And 16 plus 2 will be 18. And then subtract 9. It will give you 9. Okay. Then same thing. 3 square will be 9. 9 plus 5 will be 14. And 14 minus 6 will be 8. Friends, you will have to do some hit and trial. See, definitely you are not going to get the answer in one shot. So first you will start adding it, then multiplying it, and then your mind will go for a square. Okay, then next is 2 square plus 1. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Then next 3 square will be 9 plus 6 15. 15 minus 7 will be equal to 8. That is what they are asking. What is the value here? So the value will be equal to 8. Friends, for one problem there will be more than one logic. So you might get some other logic as well. But this is the right answer here. Now friends, question number 3. So question number 3 is from the topic syllogism. Okay, is from the topic syllogism. And friends, so if you would have got the Infosys one day cracker course, definitely we have solved this kind of problem. You cannot say, sir, no, you have not done. Okay, now so let us try to solve it here, friends. So depending on the following statements, what can be concluded? So more than one answer you can select it. It is not like only one option you have to select. Now statement, some ghost is man, all man is leader, no leader is doctor, some doctor is teacher, all teacher is hero. So basically friends, we need to draw the Venn diagram for that. Some ghost is man. So some ghost is man. So that we will do like this. So some ghost is man. All man is leader. So all man will be inside the leader. So all man will be inside the leader. No leader is a doctor. So leader is not a doctor. If leader is not a doctor, then man is inside. So man will be also not a doctor. So this will become true. Friends, they are telling no leader is doctor. So leader is not a doctor. And man is inside. If leader itself is not doctor, then man will also not be doctor. So no man is a doctor. Whatever they are telling is true. Okay, next. Some doctor is teacher. So some doctor is teacher. Okay. All teacher is hero. So all teacher is hero. So friends, all teacher is hero, but I am not a hero. Okay. So now this is done. Okay. Friends, based on that, some conclusions has been given. You need to tell which one is true. Okay. So let me use some other color, green color. Some ghost is leader. So friends, you can see this ghost and leader are sharing these portions. So yes, some ghost is leader is true. Then friends, option B we will check. Sit back and relax. Okay, we will check that. Some hero is doctor. So hero and doctor is also sharing this portion. So this is also true. Some ghost is not leader. Friends, some ghost is leader. When some ghost is leader, then telling this statement is wrong. Even I have discussed you before with you before also. Some A or B means you can say some B or A. Nothing else you can say. Okay, because some ghost are not leader is not a definite statement here. Okay, so some A or B means some portion of A is B. Then you can say some portion of B is A. You cannot say some A are not B and some B are not A. That will become false. Now friends, let us try to understand option B. Some ghost is not doctor. So friends, you see here some ghost is a leader, right? See, some part of ghost and leader is shared. So some part of ghost is leader, and they are clearly telling no leader is doctor. So friends, in turn you can say the ghost which is leader can not be a doctor. The ghost which is leader is not doctor, because this portion of ghost is nothing but leader, and leader is no leader is doctor. So we can say yes, some ghost are not doctor. See friends, how can you write that? So some ghost, right? Some ghost is leader. Okay, some ghost is leader, and no leader is doctor, right? No leader is doctor. So friends, what I can do from here, I can write like this. So some ghost is not doctor. So some ghost which is leader will not be doctor, is not doctor. So this is what they are saying. So this is also correct. So friends, option A, B, C and D is correct, only E will be false. So in the exam you have to tick A, B, C, D, and friends E will be false. So friends, this kind of syllogism questions will come, and we have already covered all these parts in your one day cracker course. So I hope friends it will be clear to you. Now friends, question number 4 is a data sufficiency problem. And friends, this kind of problems we have discussed here. Calculating the value is not required. You just need to mark one of the 4. Now consider the below questions followed by two statement. The circumference of circle Y. So circumference of circle Y is equals to circumference of circle X. You have to find out area of X. Before we proceed, I will tell you circumference of a circle will be equal to 2 pi r, and area of a circle will be equal to pi r squared. So this you know, then it will be easy for you to solve. Now my statement 1, area of a circle is 100 pi. So area of a circle Y is 100 pi. So area will be pi r square is equals to 100 pi. So pi and pi cancelled, and r will be equal to 10. So the value of r we got. Now, so friends, here what they are telling, the circumference of circle Y is twice the circumference of circle X. Okay, the circumference of Y is equals to twice circumference of X. Okay, now, so friends, here you can see we got the radius of this circle Y. That means circumference will be 2 pi ry will be equal to 2cx. So we know 2, we know pi, and we have got the radius also. So we will be able to get circumference. Once you get the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, the value of the circumference we will get 2 into pi into 10. No need to calculate friends. So it will be nothing but circumference will be 20 pi will be equal to 2 pi r radius of x, pi 10 times. So again radius also you will be getting of x. So if you get radius, then area will be pi r square. So from the statement 1 you will be easily able to tell the answer. Okay, so from the statement 1 you will be easily able to tell the area of the circle x. Okay, this is a mensuration question. Now statement 2, the circumference of circle Y is 20 pi feet. So circumference of Y is nothing but 20 pi feet. Okay, now circumference of Y is given, so x will become what? Circumference of x will become what? 20 pi by 2. It will be nothing but 10 pi. So this will become 2 pi r is equals to 10 pi. Again friends, pi cancelled, r you will be able to get, and r once you will get, then pi r square you will be able to get. So statement 2 also we will be able to tell what is the area of circle x. So friends, even I could have expanded a lot and then I would have shown to you, but as friends the value is not required here, you just have to tell that using this can we find the answer or not. So now I will take the question can be answered with the help of either of the statement. So either you take a statement 1 or you take a statement 2. So both you will be able to answer the question. And friends, here there was a small mistake was there in the beginning. I had missed 2, right? The circumference of circle Y is twice the circumference of circle X. Now friends, moving towards question number 5. So question number 5 is a question from blood relation. So friends, in the beginning only I had told you, so whatever they are giving in their syllabus, they will be asking questions even on the different topics as well. So in a family tree, B is the daughter of C. So B is the daughter of C. So B, daughter means minus sign, female. So B is the daughter of C. F is the son of B. F is the son of B. A is the mother of D. So somewhere D is there, and A is the mother of D. Okay, now, so mother means female. E is the husband of B. So E will be the husband of B. So friends, okay, J is the mother of H and I. So here I will put J, and J is the mother of H and I. J is female. Now H is the grandson of A and C. So H is the grandson of A and C. Grandson of A and C means A and C are married to each other, and grandson means friends. So grandson means my son or my daughter. My son or my daughter, son will be nothing but grandson. Clear? Okay. So H is the grandson of A and C. So H will be the grandson of H and C. Okay. G is the brother of F. So G is nothing but the brother of F. Okay. Identify the statement which are true. Now friends, so definitely this J will be married to D. There is no other options, right? So are you finding any other option, friends? No, there is no other options. Okay, right? So J will be definitely married to D. Okay, so that means I can say C and A is having one daughter and one son. So daughter is nothing but B and son is nothing but D. Okay, this is clear. Now friends, so let us try now. So D is the father of I. Yes, so D is the father of I. So first one is true. B is the sister of J. No, B is not the sister. So B will be sister of D. So second one will become false. A is the wife of C. True. C is the father of G. False. So first and third is true, right? And second and fourth is false. So this is your perfect family tree for a blood relation questions. Now friends, question number 6. So an item is sold at a certain price. So this is a question from the topic profit and loss. Okay, so this is a question from the topic profit and loss. Now an item is sold at a certain price. Okay, so first we will assume cost price is nothing but X. Okay, the sell price printed on the item is 40% more than its cost price. So selling price is printed 40% more than the cost price. Cost price is X, 40% more. So I can write 140 by 100. Or you can use the formula. Selling price will be equal to cost price into 100 plus percentage of profit. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, now. So selling price will become X into 140 by 100 because percentage of profit is 40. Now, since the customer who purchased the product was a premium category customer, he got 10% discount. So basically the selling price will become what? So whatever was there, we have to give 10% discount. 10% discount means if any kind of discount is there, we need to subtract from 100 and then you divide by 100. So discount is nothing but 10%. So I have mentioned here 10%. So selling price, actual selling price will become what? X into 140 by 100 into 90 by 100. So this is what the shopkeeper has bought, and because of the premium customer. Okay, so now the selling price will be this. Okay, now if the shopkeeper is gaining a profit of 65 rupees, so shopkeeper is gaining a profit of 65 rupees. So I can say profit will be nothing but selling price minus cost price. Selling price is what? So X into 140 by 100 into 90 by 100 minus cost price will be your X, and profit is nothing but 65. So I could see 0 and 0 cancelled, 0 and 0 cancelled. Okay, and fine. So next what we can do? Okay, so no problem. So 14 into 9, 126x minus 126x by 100, right? So 14 9 ja 126x divided by 10 into 200 minus x will be 65. So if we take LCM, 26x by 100 will be equal to 65. So x will be equal to what? 100 into 65 by 26. 13 2s are 13 5s are and 250 times. So x will become equal to 250. Now friends, we need to calculate, see, we got the cost price and now we need to calculate the selling price printed on this item. So that is nothing but 140x divided by 100. So this is the printed price. Okay, so 140 into x is nothing but 250 divided by 100. So 10 and 10 cancelled, 10 cancelled. 14 twos will be 280 and 14 fives will be 70. So 350 will be the correct answer. Okay, so option 2 will be the correct answer. Now friends, we will see one shortcut method also. So this is your normal method. Now we will try to see if there is any shortcut method existing as well. Okay, now so let me erase everything. Okay, and then try to see if any other method is there. So friends, cost price I will assume here 100 rupees. Okay, now, and the sale price printed on the item is 40% more than cost price. Selling price printed will become 40% more, means 140. Okay, now since the customer who purchased the product was a premium customer, he got 10% discount on the selling price which is printed. So 10% if you calculate of this, then it will be nothing but 14 rupees. So basically the customer will be paying how much? Only 126 rupees is the selling price. Okay, and cost price is nothing but 100 rupees. So friends, I can say when the cost price is 100 rupees, that time the selling price is 126, means profit will become what? 126 minus 100, that is 26. That time the profit is 26 rupees. But I wanted the profit as 65 rupees. So what is the cost price? So 100 divided by 26, or if you know the method, multiply the corner one, multiply the middle one. 26 into x will be equal to 65 into 100. 13 5s are 13 2s are, and 2 nothing but 50 times, right? Okay, so x will be equal to nothing but 250 rupees. Now what they are telling friends, so we got the cost price is nothing but, cost price we got is nothing but 250 rupees, and selling price printed on this item is 40% more. So selling price will be what? 40% more. So 40% more means 250, 40% you calculate, that is nothing but 100 rupees. So selling price will become what? 250 plus 100, which is nothing but 350. Or if you wanted, you could have done directly. So selling price will become what? See, 250 is the cost price and 40 rupees is the profit. So you can directly multiply it 140 by 100, then no need to add it here. So friends, I hope the 6 questions whatever we have discussed from the Infosys exam is going to help you a lot in your upcoming examination. I mean the exam which is there on tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, and after that, so this will definitely help. And friends, now I will take you through the Infosys one-day cracker course, which is going to help you for your preparation. So friends, we have covered all the content of English, aptitude, reasoning and pseudocode in the Infosys one-day cracker course. So friends, if you have still not got the Infosys one-day cracker course, then get it now, because friends, if you'll see the content, then Infosys pseudocode. So friends, we have almost 30 videos from pseudocode, which is more than sufficient for your pseudocode preparation. Then friends, you can see mathematics and reasoning. So we have deductive reasoning, we have logical reasoning, we have data sufficiency, we have Infosys puzzles, we have syllogism, mensuration, percentage, permutation, combination, probability, number series, ratio, proportion. And then friends, we have algebra. So algebra we have 8 videos. And friends, then we have verbal ability. So reading comprehension part 1, part 2, error identification, part 1, part 2, error correction, part 1, part 2, phrasal verb is there, Infosys sample question also we have solved 1, 2, 3, critical reasoning is there, English parajumbles is there, English similar looking words is there, and English corrective uses are there. So friends, this complete one-day cracker package is more than sufficient for you to crack the Infosys examination. So you'll be getting an overall idea of how your exam questions will come, and even you will be also getting idea to solve the question in your way. So friends, yesterday you could have seen there was only 52 videos. So we have today we have added 62 plus videos. So friends, Infosys one-day cracker course, and the price also friends, we have kept it very low, just 249 rupees. So friends, get it today, and this video validity will be 2 to 3 years. Okay, so minimum 2 years and maximum 3 years the validity will be there, so you do not have to worry about that. So one day cracker course is more than sufficient for getting a complete idea of what and how Infosys exam is going to happen. Thank you friends. The link will be given in the description, so you can buy it from there.